Welcome to China Connect. We're your laugh-out-loud passport to China's best. Explore and let's discover China now, with a giggle. Today, we're going to talk about a man who needs no introduction in the world of Chinese politics and global leadership, President Xi Jinping. Recently, he embarked on an inspection tour in Zhejiang, emphasizing the need to fuel China's engines of prosperity with the power of science, technology, and innovation. Just when you thought it couldn't get any more exciting, there's more. Xi Jinping is not just talking about any old science and technology, but the cutting-edge, thrill-a-minute world of frontier technologies. Buckle up for a future where China is not just following the technological curve, but shaping it, a tour of technological ambition. During his tour in Zhejiang, Xi Jinping delivered a message that was as clear as the Hangzhou Bay on a sunny day. We need to implement a new development philosophy, focusing on high-quality development to showcase the strengths of socialism with Chinese characteristics in the new era. Emphasizing the importance of sticking to the blueprint and continuing to implement the 8-8 strategy. Xi Jinping's vision for Zhejiang is one of modernization, characterized by scientific and technological innovation. It's as if he's looking to turn Zhejiang into China's very own Silicon Valley, the technological trump card. According to Xi Jinping, Zhejiang should be a leader in shaping new advantages for development through science and technology innovation, integrating both to accelerate breakthroughs in frontier technologies. During his visit on September 20th and 21st, Xi Jinping, accompanied by Yuan Lianghong, Secretary of the CPC Zhejiang Provincial Committee, and Wang Hao, Governor of Zhejiang Province, visited various locations, including rural areas, commercial areas, exhibition halls, and cultural parks. It was like a grand tour of innovation and prosperity, with stops at the country's most promising destinations, a new era for enterprises. Xi Jinping's vision doesn't just stop at the technology itself, though. He also emphasized the need to strengthen the principal role of enterprises in scientific and technological innovation. This isn't about tech for tech's sake. It's about applying advanced and applicable technologies to traditional industries, promoting high-end, smart, and green development of manufacturing. It's about building a modernized industrial system with the real economy as its foundation. And it's about making Zhejiang a hub of digital industry and innovation, creating a number of internationally competitive strategic emerging industrial clusters, solving employment issues. But what about the people, you ask? Well, Xi Jinping has got that covered too. He emphasized the need to narrow urban-rural, inter-regional and income gaps, and improve urban-rural integrated development systems and mechanisms. It's not just about creating jobs, but creating the right jobs. Jobs that can help solve key groups' employment issues, jobs in emerging industries, and jobs that can promote rural revitalization. In short, it's a vision of common prosperity where everyone has a chance to thrive. Institutional innovation. In his vision for Zhejiang, Xi Jinping also highlighted the need for comprehensive institutional innovation across the board. This includes opening up systems, regulations, management, and standards, as well as innovating methods and channels for utilizing foreign investment and expanding foreign trade. This is a vision of Zhejiang not just as a hub of technological innovation, but also as a pioneer in institutional innovation. In this vision, private enterprises are encouraged to participate in the global industrial division and resource allocation, enhancing their core competitiveness. Cultural missions. Xi Jinping also emphasized the need for Zhejiang to explore the building of modern Chinese culture. This includes promoting creative transformation and innovative development of excellent traditional Chinese culture, as well as developing new cultures reflecting the requirements and characteristics of the times, investing in the cadres, and finally, Xi Jinping pointed out the need to invest in the people who will help make this vision a reality. This includes strengthening education, training, and practical exercise for cadres, improving motivation and protection mechanisms for cadres' dedication and achievement, and building a new type of government-business relationship based on intimacy and clean interactions. Conclusion. All in all, Xi Jinping's recent tour of Zhejiang paints a picture of a future where China is not just a participant in the global technological race, but a leader. It's a future where science and technology are not just tools for economic development, but instruments of social progress and cultural transformation. This is a future where every person, every enterprise, and every city has a role to play in making China a global leader in frontier technologies. And with a leader like Xi Jinping at the helm, it's a future that seems not just possible, but excitingly probable. Thanks for exploring China with us. Hit like, comment, and share for laughs. Subscribe and drop your thoughts below. Let's keep showcasing this amazing nation. See you in the next funny video.